Hello students. Students, in last class what we have done? We have completed our chapter 3. Is it? And what was the name of the chapter? It was addition. I hope all of you have completed your chapter. Okay. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 4. And the chapter name is subtraction. Okay. So I hope all of you have done little subtraction in the previous classes. You have some idea, na students? Okay. So today we are going to start our new chapter. Okay. So here you see some sentences are given. You see the number from which we subtract is called the minuend. Okay. All of you concentrate in book. Okay. It's a very important line. You just see. All of you look. The number from which we subtract is called the minuend. Okay. The number from which we subtract is called the minuend. The number that we subtract is called the subtrahend. The number that we subtract is called the subtrahend. Okay. And number 3, the result obtained on subtracting two numbers are called their difference. Are called what? Their difference. So here you see example, students. 984 given. Okay. So 984 means this is what? It is minuend. Okay. And 472 given. So this is called what? Subtrahend. Okay. And after subtracting whatever the answer has come, it is called difference. Okay. It is called what? Difference. Okay. Have you understood, students? The number from which we subtract. The number from which we subtract is called the minuend. And the number that we subtract is called the subtrahend. And after subtracting whatever the answer is coming, it is called the difference. Okay. Now, subtracting numbers in two different ways. Subtraction can be done in two different ways. That is horizontally, okay, and vertically. Okay. Vertically means this and horizontally means in this way. Okay. Now, I hope all of you have understood, students. Now all of you record your exercise number 44.1. Okay. So here you see, students, question number 1. Subtract the following two-digit number. Okay. Two-digit number we have to subtract. Already, students, you know how to do the subtraction. But again I am showing you. You see 27 given and this is given 16. Means 27 we have to subtract with 16. And this is what? O means what? O means ones. And T means what, students? T means tens. Okay. So at first which one we will subtract? O or T? We are going to subtract O. Okay. So this line is called minuend and this line is called subtrahend. Okay. Means from minuend we have to subtract the subtrahend. So here you see, here given 7. So whenever we are going to subtract 7 minus 6, so 7 minus 6 is what, students? It is 1. Okay. Because 7 is greater than 6, so directly we can subtract. Here you see 2 is greater than 1. So 2 we can subtract from 1. So 2 minus 1 is what? It is 1. Okay. So the answer is what? 1. So this is called what? Difference. Okay. Now, I hope you have understood, students. Now see question number B. Here given 86. Minuend is how much? Given 86. Okay. And here given 49. So 49 is a subtrahend. Okay. So here you see 6 is given and here given 9. So 6 is smaller and 9 is greater. Okay. So we have to make 6 greater than 9. So what we will do? We are going to cut this 6 and we will write in the top. Okay. To make it greater, we have to make it 16. So from where we will borrow 1? We will borrow 1 from here. So from 8 we will borrow 1. It has become now 16. Okay. So now 16 minus 9 is how much? Students? 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay. So we are going to write 7. Okay. So from 8 we have taken borrowed 1. So here left 7. Okay. So now you subtract 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Is it okay, students? 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. So now you do C number. 8 minus 7. So 8 is greater than 7. So directly we can subtract. So 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay. And here given 3. So from 3 we subtract 2. So 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Okay. So the answer is what? 11. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? Okay. So in this way you will do A, B, C, D, E, F in your book only. Okay. In this way you will complete your A, B, C, D, E, F in your book. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2, there is 3-digit number. Question number 2, 100 tens and ones. As given here 3 digits, so here written 100 tens and ones. So here you see 1. 1 we have to subtract from 9. Can we subtract? Can we subtract, students? No. We have to make this 1 greater than 9. So what we will do? We'll cut this 1 and I will write here 1 at the top of 1's place. Okay. So we have to borrow 1 from here. So from 2 I will borrow 1. So it becomes 11. Okay. So from 11 we subtract 9. So 11 minus 9 is how much? 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay. So from 2 I have borrowed 1. So here is left 1. Can we subtract 1 minus 4? No. So from 2 I will borrow again 1 here. So again it has become 11. Okay. Now you subtract 11 minus 4. 7. So the answer is 7. Okay. So from 2 we have taken 1. So here left 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? Okay. Now come to question number 2. Here you see again given 2. We cannot subtract 2 from 8. So what we will do? We will cut here 2 and we will write at the top. From 6 we will borrow 1. So it has become 12. Now 12 minus 8 is how much, students? It is 4. Okay. It is 4. From 6 we have borrowed 1. So here in place of 6 what is left? Here it is left 5. Okay. Now you subtract 5 minus 0. The answer will be 0 or 5. 0 or 5. It will be 5. Okay. Is it clear, students? Now here you see here given any borrowed we have not done. So here 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. Is it clear? So the answer will be 254. Okay. So in this way you will complete all the questions in your book. A, B, C, D, E, F in your book. Okay, students. In this way you will complete the questions in your book. I hope all of you have understood, students. You have understood now? Okay. Now see question number 3. Here given 999, fill in the blanks. Okay. Here given 999 minus dash and right hand side given 900. So what we will do? We have to subtract this number to get one number. So here number is not there. So what we will do? We have to subtract. Directly you subtract 999 from 900. Okay. So what will be the answer coming? 9 minus 0, 9. And 9 minus 0 is 9. So what will be the answer? It's 99. Okay. Is it clear? I have shown you here only, students. Now here given 315 minus 216. So 315 minus 216. Okay. So now you see 15 is smaller than 6. So what we have to do? We have to make it greater. To make it greater, I will write 5 here and 1 I will borrow from here. Now here 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 15 minus 6 will be 9. So I will write 9 here. Okay. From 1 we have borrowed here 1. So here what left? 0. Here is left 0. Okay. So can we subtract 0 minus 1? No. So we have to borrow 1 from here. Now it has become greater than 1. Is it? Now you subtract 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is how much? 9. Okay. So from 3. Now you see in place of 100. So from 3 we have borrowed 1 here. So here what is left? 2. Now you subtract 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. So no need to write 0. So the answer will be what? 99. Okay. Is it clear? So in this way you will complete C, D, E, F in your book. Okay, students? All this is all about of subtraction. Okay, I hope you have understood, students. In next class also we are going to do subtraction. Okay, thank you.